Welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to explore the cutting edge of AI-driven video generation? Meet VideoSys, a game changer in accelerating video synthesis, all open source and packed with innovations. VideoSys is an open source project designed to supercharge the performance of video generation models. Think faster, smarter, and more efficient. AI videos developed by the experts at NUS HPC AI Lab. It integrates advanced acceleration methods like pyramid attention broadcast (PAB) to cut down inference time while preserving top-notch video quality. What makes a video so special? It's the perfect companion for popular AI video models like OpenSora and VideoCrafter. With multi-card GPU setups and optimization techniques, VideoSys ensures you spend more time creating and less time waiting. The magic lies in a unique PAB framework. It reduces memory bottlenecks and speeds up rendering by broadcasting computations across GPUs. Imagine turning a 20-minute rendering session into just 12 minutes. So, how do you get started with it? Okay, want to try it yourself? Here's how you get started. Clone the GitHub repo, install the required dependencies including PyTorch and CUDA, integrate it with favorite video generation model like OpenSora. Start generating high quality videos at lightning speed. So, from cinematic short films to interactive storytelling, VideoSys open doors to limitless possibilities for creators, researchers, and developers. It's fast, efficient, and completely open source. Whether you are an AI enthusiast, a developer, or creative artist, VideoSys is here to transform the way you approach video creation. And the best part, it's free for everyone to explore and improve. So, what you are waiting for, head over to GitHub, try out VideoSys, and unleash your creativity. If you enjoy this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more AI-powered insights. Until next time, keep creating.